Baker, what is that? Are those birdies? Yeah. They're birdies. Oh. I think I can't get the birdies. Baker, don't eat the tree. That's not real. Baker. You see his face in the mirror. And the tail's going. Oh, he went to get the birdies. He's a hunter. Oh. Can't step there, buddy. So cute. So I put up on YouTube cats for birds to watch, and I connected my computer to the TV, and I covered my computer or else he would step all over it and turn it off. But they have a lot of these wonderful ones on YouTube, and I showed it to him on my phone, and this is the first time on the TV, and he just jumped out of my arms and ran over the TV. So excited. Where is he? Oh, he's back over at the real window looking. He knows the difference. There's real birds out here. Is there real birds and squirrels? He says, yeah, but I don't see any right now. Yeah, I don't see it. Oh, there's a squirrel. Oh, he sees that squirrel, and there's the tail going. It's going. See a squirrel. Oh, he's gonna get the squirrel. Just remember, there's a window in the way. Where's it going? Oh, it's gone. Where is it? Where is it? It's so cute. Okay.